We're gonna show you today how you can add background quilting with clear blue tiles. I make sure that you put fusible backing on your material. Then you're gonna add batting to the back. First, put in your hoop. You're going to put in the tearaway, medium tearaway stabilizer. And you're going to see here that the first that's gonna come up is the background quilting, but we don't wanna do that first. We want to do the crosshairs. Yeah, okay. So we put blue thread in so you guys can see this. So we're gonna skip to the next step and do the crosshairs. You're going to spray 505 spray. And I spray a little bit on there so that this will stick. Then you're gonna take your material here and you're gonna fold it again. Right here where these lines, you're gonna line it up and then you're gonna go and it's perfectly centered. Now you're gonna need to go back to step 1. Okay. Let's all stitch out your background quilting. Then you'll go back into the machine and you're going to go to step 3 and then it's all done. Woohoo!